species of mammals, and they range in size from the small parrot all the way up to the hyacinth, which can grow to over 1 metre long.
They all have unique personalities and looks. Their feather lines on their faces are just like our fingerprints, unmatchable to any other. It's not going to bother them, but if we were to stand on one, it's a different story.
That's completely right. So, if a snake is feeling cornered or threatened, the only way we can
He's a bird of prey. Now that means he eats meat items. However, he isn't just any old bird of prey. He's a specialised hunter known as a raptor. Now to define a raptor, you do have to possess a couple of key features. Now number 1 is really good eyesight. Number 2 is a hooked and curved beak, which he's going to use to rip apart his predators into bite-sized pieces. And third but not least is nice strong talons, which he's going to use to catch and kill his predators. Now there's many different species of kite across Australia, and they all do have different hunting techniques to where they hunt and what they like to eat. One really cool thing that your whistling kites can do is a technique known as eating on the wing. That's where they're able to catch their food as they lack that water-resistant coating on their feathers that many other birds do have. Now whilst this is great for life under the water, well, a bird, they simply cannot take to the skies with wet feathers. Now that's why you will see cormorants, just like Albert and Scuba, lining our riverbanks throughout Australia with the wings outstretched, just shaking them off to dry. Now, Albert and Scuba, they're 2 out of 5 different species of cormorants.
Isn't that right, Lily? Awesome. We'll see if she can spot you now. Oh, there we go. It's alright. I totally understand. Women are better. It's just us. Go down, Lily. Oh, yeah. Now you can see why I was so persistent.